3. Can we raise this up more? Because you got this. It's filming. You got a big old circle of water right here that you're seeing.
It can be raised up, but it's going to block my view.
We'll put it over here on my side more.
It's not right where it's at.
Okay. I'm just saying you.
I understand what
it's
you're
not
saying.
going to be clear to see to
I
watch.
understand what you're saying.
Okay. Where this thing.
I understand, Keena.
Okay.
What part of I understand don't you understand?
Just it would be nice to see a clear picture.
Richie Moore.
And it would be better for me not run into something where I can have a clear view of where I'm driving. That would be priority.
Okay, if you'd let me talk for once in my life.
Oh, you talk plenty.
If I move this over here in front of me, it ain't got nothing to do with you.
Yes, it does.
And
Leave it there. How about that?
Go left at the curve right there. Everybody, 41 all the way out. 141 all the way to the trade center. That is affirmative.